So in Mumbai, so I'm assuming it's already, matlab, the weather is such you need fan now. It's not cold
Definitely.
anymore.
And today only we were discussing, I was discussing with my dad whether we should put the ACs on, सर्विस में डाल देते हैं because गर्मी तो बहुत हो गई है.
So I think
Where do you put
Mumbai,
up?
so Mumbai winters is only December, January, right? Maybe.
वो भी
वो भी
winters
नहीं.
नहीं है विशाल. मतलब it's hardly any winter here. There's no winter here in Bombay.
आप
Yeah.
originally which part of India do you come from?
So my mom, dad, they are from Kashmir. So
Wow.
we're
Okay.
Kashmiri Pandits.
And you
And
grew up where did you grow up?
Delhi. I was born
Oh,
and brought
Delhi.
up in Delhi. Yes.
So you know Delhi winters, right? We are still
I do
feeling cold,
know. Yes,
right?
I do know. And Vishal, that's what I was telling you. That's what I wanted to share. So my sister is in Delhi, my elder
Oh, okay.
sister, and so biryani by kilo. When they approached me, I was so happy because 2nd February I'd sent my sister food from biryani by kilo in Delhi. And I called her up. I said, Didi, do you know they want to go live with me? She said, really? Because we keep ordering. I keep sending her biryanis from Biryani by Kilo to my sister. So, so yeah, it was
Right.
so exciting.
No, same here. We are excited to be with you, right? So I think it's a mutual admiration society, if I can say, right? So I think, but what do you like in biryani? More mutton biryani, Hyderabadi, Lucknowi, kebabs? What do you like all?
So, Vishal, I am vegetarian by choice, but
Okay.
because I come from, my family is from Kashmir,
Hmm.
so we are more into like my mother and my dad, they like mutton.
Yes,
So,
yes,
yes. So if you know, there's Rogan Josh, that's mutton
yes,
that we
yes.
cook, and then there are a lot of there's tabak mas, there's Rogan Josh,
Yeah,
um, yes,
chutney.
all of that.
Yeah, so I think Kashmiri food is my favorite, right? So I think, but I think most
Oh,
Kashmiris do not. Yeah, yeah, I think Kashmir. So आपके घर में कश्मीरी खाना
yeah.
बनता है, like तबक मास और ये रोगन जोश वगैरह?
Hardly because my dad and I have turned vegetarian, but my
Okay.
grandmother, my sister, and my mom. So whenever they go out, they are looking for biryanis and mutton and non-veg that they like to have. Yeah.
So आधी आधी फैमिली स्प्लिट हो गई है, वेज एंड नॉन वेज.
Gee. Thank God, Biryani by Kilo also serves veg biryani. So
हाँ.
again, that's my favorite.
So I saw you ordered mutton biryani today, mutton galotis and something. But in veg we have, the katal biryani. You have? Oh, you have the food? Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's ready. And my
So
dad, my grandmother, I can't wait to have dinner. We're gonna have early dinner.
So because in veg also we have a lot of options. We have katal biryani, we have Peshawari chole, we have paneer biryani, we have veg galotis, and we are known for our veg biryani. So I think you would enjoy.
Definitely. As I said, I keep ordering. And
Hmm.
for me, I always order veg biryani. And there is
Hmm.
there are so many varieties in veg, which I'm glad to know that Kilo by Biryani serves. Biryani
Hmm.
by Kilo serves. So yeah.
But I'll tell you, if some people might not know, बिरयानी बाई किलो का हमारा यूएसपी है कि हम लोग जब कस्टमर का ऑर्डर आता है तभी बिरयानी में दम कुक करते हैं, और जिस हांडी में दम कुक करते हैं उसी में कस्टमर को डिलीवर करते हैं. इसीलिए हमें 1 घंटा लगता है डिलीवरी में, पर कस्टमर को एकदम फ्रेश सील्ड हांडी मिलती है, और वो भी आधे घंटे पहले ही बनी हुई, जिस समय आधा घंटा डिलीवरी में लग जाता है, राइट? तो बनी उसी समय एकदम. एंड वन ऑफ द बेस्ट, लाइक, लोगों को इसलिए अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि राइस हम जो यूज करते हैं, दैट इज 2 years नेचुरली एज, लॉट ऑफ दोस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, वेरी हाई क्वालिटी इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड फ्रेश. तो आई थिंक पर बहुत कंपनीज आई थिंक खाली बना के रख लेती हैं, बल्क में हीट करके दे देती हैं. वी डोंट डू ऑल दैट.
Definitely, I can see that and I can always taste that as well. Look at this. So just sealed back and this
या.
biryani, it's still hot and the same handi you guys
यस.
biryani by kilo
यस.
cooks, right?
यस,
इसी
आधा किलो
हांडी
की
में कुक होता है. Look at this. तो ये आटे से सील्ड होती है, इसको ब्रेक
सील
करना
होती
होता है. हाँ.
है, इसको खोलता है, I think, it's all hygienic, all fresh. And we now have around 50 outlets all over India, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Jaipur, Calcutta, Bhubaneswar. So if you are traveling for shooting, you can eat anywhere.
Yes, I like to order. So I order online. यही तो है आजकल, because of the social media, thanks to social media, so digitalization, that there are apps from where you can order. So
Right.
Zomato or the other
Right.
apps, you can always order from.
यानी बाई किलो के केस में आप हमारी वेबसाइट से ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, हमारी ऐप से, और
your
हमारा
website.
सेंटर नंबर है 9555212212. So anyone in India can call and order. That's also there.
Definitely. I also have a card with the parcel that I've received, and it has the number. So I'll
Number
save
three.
it. Next time I can directly order it from your website. Or give
Website
you a call. Simply give a call.
पर और आप आर यू अ फूडी? आप इतने फिट हो तो आप खाना खाते हो तो कहाँ जाता है?
नहीं विशाल, I have to do a lot to reduce weight. So ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब थोड़ा अभी तो I've gained some weight. That's because I am a foodie.
अगर आप तो आधे लोग तो गिर ही पड़ेंगे कि कहाँ से. No, I think you are as fit as someone can be. तो but what is the secret? क्या करते हैं? रोज जिम जाते हैं, कुछ खेलते हैं, जॉगिंग करते हैं, क्या करते हैं?
Gym I've tried, but it's something that I'm not very fond of. So मैं ध्यान रखती हूँ जो मैं खा रही हूँ वो मैं पोर्शंस में खाऊं. बहुत ज्यादा डाइट नहीं कर सकती हूँ मैं, because again I'm a foodie and I have a sweet tooth. तो मैं पोर्शंस में खाती हूँ, दिन में एक साथ नहीं खाती हूँ, मतलब 1-2 घंटे के गैप में थोड़ा थोड़ा. और I try to exercise. अभी आजकल नहीं हो पा रहा है, लेकिन definitely whenever I get time मैं जॉगिंग करती हूँ और स्किपिंग करती हूँ, and I like to dance. तो
हो गया. तो डांस आजकल तो जैसे आई थिंक क्लब्स वगैरह नहीं खुले हैं, तो आप क्या घर में डांस कर लेते हैं? पार्टी वगैरह डांस कहाँ करते हैं?
बिल्कुल ऐसा डांस जहाँ पे इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ वर्कआउट ओनली. इट्स लाइक हाउ जुम्बा इज. सो पार्टी डांस में तो हार्डली आप कुछ करते हो. तो अगर आप घर से ऑफिस जा रहे हैं या पार्टी में डांस कर रहे हैं तो ये मत सोचिए कि आपका कुछ भी शेड होने वाला है वेट. इट हैज टू बी डेडिकेटेड. आपका एक्सरसाइज हैज टू बी डेडिकेटेड टू लूजिंग वेट. अगर आप आधे घंटे के लिए भी कर रहे हैं तो भी आधे घंटे प्रॉपरली डांस करना है, ब्रेक्स में नहीं. तो दैट इज देयर.
व्यूअर्स सम एडवाइस की, जैसे कि कोई आर देयर सम पर्टिकुलर एल्बम्स डांस की जो यूट्यूब पे वो लोग चला के कर सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ है?
बिल्कुल, आप बहुत सारा डांस कर सकते हैं. यूट्यूब पर डालिए डांसिंग नंबर्स. आपका जो भी लाइक इंग्लिश सॉन्ग, सम पीपल लाइक आजकल तो डिफरेंट कंट्रीज के सॉन्ग्स लोगों को डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस के पसंद आ रहे हैं. तो यू कैन डांस ऑन एनी नंबर यू वांट फॉर एन आवर एंड देन यू कैन हैव अ बिरयानी फ्रॉम बिरयानी बाय किलो.
That's a great. So what kind of dance you like? More Indian dance, more Western dance? Any particular style or all kind of dances?
I like classical dance a lot, especially Kathak. It's the only classical dance that North. So I also come from North. So, yeah.
So you have been dancer? Did you take training?
Yes,
a little. Dance?
Thoda bahut. Ji. Then I've also learned salsa, but I enjoy dancing Kathak the most. And freestyle. To shed weight, you need to do a freestyle, maybe jumping and more of Zumba kind of a dance.
Wow. And what you've been acting, dancing for a very long time, since school, college. It has been like in your soul or blood, whatever.
Always. Since my childhood, I think I've been dancing. Dancing and singing.
तो ये आपका ही है या फैमिली में आपकी सिस्टर, मदर, फादर का भी है या खाली आपका ही है?
I don't think so. My sister, I don't think so. Definitely, my father was into theaters and all, but I haven't seen. Yes, he used to do theaters, but dancing, I don't think so.
Dancing only. But I think so. You were an artist. You were a performer, right? तो जैसे बच्चे पहले करते हैं, आप क्या मिरर के सामने खड़े होके used to act or sing or things like that?
Bilkul. I used to imagine whenever I used to see a film, I used to imagine that scene and I used to imagine myself in that. वो जो character है या heroine है या उसके बदले I used to imagine myself, put my mother's sari around, wrap it around,
Oh,
put a bindi. I was very young then, and I used to dance a lot and think that I'm there in that scene and what would I have done? All of that, you know.
wow. So you're living your now. So
I
you're
think
living your
a
dream.
lot of people do that.
Oh wow.
Huh?
So और आपको जो भी एंट्री एक्टिंग में सीरियल्स वगैरह सब भी आराम से मिलते चले गए, बहुत स्ट्रगल हुआ?
स्ट्रगल आई डोंट नो, स्ट्रगल सबके लिए अलग अलग ही होता है बेसिकली. एवरीबडी हैज टू स्ट्रगल, बस तरीके अलग अलग होते हैं. स्ट्रगल सबकी लाइफ में होता है. और अभी भी मतलब जो लोग हाइट्स पहुंच जाते हैं, दे रीच सम माइलस्टोन एंड देन आल्सो दे हैव टू स्ट्रगल टू to always go ahead, reach the height. I would not say I enjoyed the journey. So even if there was any struggle, it just
You didn't mind, huh?
Definitely I never mind. I never used to mind. और छोटे छोटे रोल से शुरू किया विशाल, and I think gradual growth की वजह से it was even more beautiful, the journey. Yeah.
I think that's the best part, and I think if I can say in a humble way, you have a very good combination of looks, personality, acting, dance. So I think it would have made things a bit easier.
You've been humble, Vishal. Thank you. Thank you. And what else?
आप और क्या करते हैं इसके अलावा? What else do you like? Like reading, traveling. आपने खाना बता दिया और एक्टिंग बता दी, डांस बता दिया, और what else do you like?
Very basics in life. There's nothing special out of the box that I like to do. So it's I like to eat. As I said, I'm a foodie, and then I like to dance. I like to act. I like to go out with my friends. I love animals, so I like spending time with animals. Yeah.
So you have dogs or cats?
Yes, I do have a dog at
home.
Oh
wow! What's the male or female? क्या नाम है?
He's a male dog. He's 14 years old. He's going to turn 15 this year.
Bit old. So you've been having him since your childhood, eh?
Yes, since my childhood. Long time.
Almost like a buddy or a bro.
Yeah. Now he's. They say that 1 year of human is equal to 7 years of dog. Yes. So now, जब मैं लेकर आई थी मेरे से छोटा था, अभी मुझसे बड़ा हो गया.
And his name, what did you say? What is his name?
Scrappy.
Scrappy. Oh, so you named him, or someone else in the family named him Scrappy? So
I and my sister used to watch this cartoon called Scooby Dooby Doo. और Scooby Dooby Doo के भतीजे का नाम was Scrappy. He was very courageous, very strong. And we thought that if we ever have a dog in future, we would name him Scrappy.
Oh,
that's how he got me.
तो लोग बच्चों के बारे में सोचते हैं कि बच्चा होगा तो ये नाम रखेंगे. आपने डॉग का सोच के रखा, डॉग और स्क्रैपी रख दिया.
Yes, Vishal.
No, I think, and so I think you're a very, very easygoing person, and I think God has been kind. I think and you're quite close to your family. You have one sister.
Yes, I have an elder sister. My mom, dad, and my grandmother. And they're all very happy because, again, I've ordered from biryani by kilo.
Thanks so much. I think next time you are here in Delhi, you should call us. We'll take you to our dine-in in Delhi, Connaught Place. I think it'll be lovely. Even in Bombay, we have a dine-in in Thane. If you happen to be in Thane, you should go there.
Would love to. Definitely, I'll... Thane, here, someday I might take my family and come to Connaught Place.
You should come to biryani by kilo. Let us know. We'll arrange for you.
Is that the first outlet? That's the first outlet that is. That biryani by kilo.
But it's the first. We do like one dine-in outlet per city. Mostly our delivery and takeaway. So Connaught Place one in is dine-in. Thane in Mumbai is dine-in. Pune in Wakar is dine-in. Calcutta there is a one in Garihart which is dine-in. So we have some dine-ins. Jaipur, Chandigarh, etc. Smaller towns have lot of dine-ins, but mostly delivery.
So Thane newly opened dine-in, right?
Sorry, Thane भी recently opened. Thane भी
Yeah.
recently opened. Yes.
All the
So
best
all,
for that, Vishal.
for sure. Thank you so much. But you have to go there sometime with your family or
Definitely.
friends. हाँ.
Yes, I
What
will.
else? और अभी आपके क्या सीरियल्स आ रहे हैं बताइए कोई ऑडियंस को. आई थिंक देर आस्किंग सम क्वेश्चंस इफ यू वांट टू एड्रेस. आई थिंक आपकी कोई इंडिया वाली माँ वाला सीरियल चल रहा है, राइट?
Yes, yes. India Wali Ma on Sony TV is it's almost coming to its end. We are going to wrap up soon. And about the new projects, I don't know. Let's see what's there, what future holds. Abhi to there's nothing in the pipeline, but definitely if there's anything coming up, I will keep all my fans, everybody, my family, and everybody, my social media fans, my Instagram family, you, Vishal, everybody updated about that. And do keep loving like how you all do. And
Same here. Thank you so. Anything you want to take questions of the fans? Say anything or say any message before we leave?
I would just want to say that I can't be more grateful for the love that I've been receiving from them. So thank you so much. Thank you very, 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 very much for being there and always watching my shows, following me on Instagram, and seeing what I'm doing all day long. I just feel loved. I feel blessed, and it's all because of the fans.
No, thank you. And you feel loved because you're very lovable, you're very kind, and we wish you all the success. And enjoy Biryani by Kilo meal today. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, I wish you all the very best.
Thank you,
okay, guys, take care. Bye. I'm going to have early dinner today. See, I just want everybody to have a look at what I'm going to have.
Yeah. So
it's ready.
Biryani, kebabs, korma, and firni for Biryani by Kilo. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes. And anyone can order either from Biryani by Kilo website, app, or we have a call center all India. Thank you so much. Bye.
Got that. Noted. Bye, Vishal. Thank you.
Bye.